Hello guys, welcome back to another unboxing video. Let's get started. Alright. So how's everyone's Friday? Pretty good on my end. And don't mind my rusty hands. I just got out the shower. And don't mind the ambulance in the background. So, first thing out the box for my 187 scale collection is the Volvo EC210 by Carrarama. That's the first one. Second one, and the ambulance was close, is the Volvo L150C by Carrarama. Oh, some extras in here. We got the Caterpillar D7E. The Caterpillar 980K. We have the Cat 320DL excavator made by Norscot. Here we have the Cat 450E backhoe loader by Norscot. It's pretty cool. And last but not least, that's it. Yep, that's it. It is the 315C excavator made by Norscot. So here is the newest addition to my 187 scale collection. So, now, my 187 scale collection is mostly Department of Transportation vehicles, and these right here will be a perfect fit for the DOT collection. I'm still looking for more trucks and stuff, because right now I have one lowboy trailer, 2 dump trucks, and 2 semis. Not that impressive, but I'm getting there. So yeah, thank you guys for watching the unboxing video. See you guys next time.